Hey, here's a little help for this addition, or in this case, subtraction of fractions. I'm going to show this one here first. We have a half minus 3/11ths sitting right there, and as you can see, I started to put those parts in purple there. And let's just put a little subtraction sign here to remind us that we are subtracting. We do need to have some giant ones in here to make these a common denominator. And sometimes when you look at that, you can see the common denominator of 2 and 11. Sometimes it's not so easy to see. But in this case, when I see the 11, I recognize that this can kind of help me make the choice that then this giant one must be 11 over 11. And then when I look at the other denominator, it actually helps me then to create the giant one for the other one, and that's 2 over 2. And so 1 times 11 is 11. 2 times 11 is 22. And then I have 3 times 2, which is 6. 3 times 2, which is 6. And then 11 times 2, which is 22. And then we make sure to subtract those. So 11 minus 6 is 5. 20 seconds. And there we go for that one. And then I'm going to do this one and just set it up a little bit, but I'm going to show it just slightly different. What I'm going to do is I'm going to look at multiplying that left fraction to get a common denominator with the one on the right, and what I see is that with a 5 and a 15, the common denominator for both of them would be 15. So I have to multiply the left fraction by a giant 1. And notice I'm just going to put it right there, kind of mixed up with it, right? So knowing that their common denominator is 15, actually what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to put this and make that 15, because I know that 3 times 5 would be 15, right? 3 times 5. So the 3 times 2 is 6, so then I have 6 minus 1/15. Oops, that's a bad 5. 6/15 minus 1/15 is 5/15, and then you can just reduce that. So, all right, hope that helps. Let me know if you have questions.